Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman Sir, thank you very much for having given me this opportunity even on the first day to speak on this child labor bill. Sir, I support the bill. The bill seeks to give more benefits to the child labor which is being employed in our country. Sir, I would like to submit that in our country, even 100 years ago, when Britishers were ruling us in 1881, when Lord Ripon was ruling our country, a bill was introduced in that children below the age of 7 years were not allowed to work. But in 1934, there was an amendment brought. The hours of work were considered as 5 hours for the child labor. They brought several other legislations, the Factories Act, the Plantation Labor Act, and so many other acts for the purpose of protecting the interests of the child labor. Sir, there are about 16 million child labor in our country. Of them, 10 million are employed in the urban sector and 6 million in the rural sector. Even in that, the agriculture sector alone is absorbing more than 78% of the child labor. In our country, if we see the commerce and industry sector, the child labor employed there is more compared to what it was 10 years back, in spite of the welfare measures taken by the government. In spite of our saying that the child labor should be minimized, we find there is a spirit in their employment. The child labor could not be contained because of the socio-economic conditions. I would like to submit the very salient points which have been given in the bill itself by the Honorable Minister. When the Honorable Minister became the Labor Minister here, he went to the state of Tamil Nadu, especially to Shivakashi, and saw that more than 50,000 children are being employed with wretched conditions. There were no safety measures for them. Health hazards were there, and the children were not given vocational training. Proper attention was also not given to them. This bill seeks to prohibit the child labor in particular hazardous industries and regulates the employment of children in other industries. A schedule has been given for the purpose of giving employment to the children with lighter conditions. The child who are employed in such conditions should be given protection. Full stop.